Hey y'all, it's SheRea, what's up? In this video, I'm going to share my very first clay wash recipe on my channel. I'll be using super underrated ingredients that you probably have never heard of, but they make all the difference for detoxing our natural hair while also providing superior definition, elongation, and shine. You ready? And please don't forget to like this video. It really helps my channel out and it lets YouTube know that this is the type of content you want to see. I also hope that this video will inspire you to subscribe if you haven't already and join the fam. Let's go. I'm going in with a 1/4 cup of Rasul clay. Rasul is one of my favorite clays. I have used Rasul on my channel. You can definitely click the card above and see how I used it. Rasul or Gasul hails from the mountains of Morocco, one of my favorite countries in the world. The name Gasul comes from the Arabic word gasal, which means to wash. Rasul is extremely rich in minerals such as silica, iron, calcium, potassium, and magnesium. This clay is incredibly beneficial for our natural hair. It softens the hair and reduces dryness and frizz while also detoxing by reducing dandruff, deeply cleaning the pores on the scalp, and treating scalp conditions such as psoriasis. I also go in with a 1/4 cup of bentonite clay. Unlike the popular Aztec Indian healing clay, which is calcium bentonite clay, I prefer using sodium bentonite clay. I found that the sodium variety of bentonite clay leaves the hair feeling softer and more manageable. It adds significantly more shine and definition, adds way more slip, and is easier to rinse out. Overall, it's just a better and more enjoyable wash day experience. Like Rasul, bentonite is rich in iron and magnesium. It naturally cleans the hair without harsh cleansers, such as sulfates, that are found in commercial shampoos. And I know you're going to ask, you don't have to use 2 different clays. Y'all know I am a bit extra, but I do like combining them to get the benefits of both clays. If I had to choose, I will always choose Rasul. Then I go in with 1/2 cup of coconut vinegar. Coconut vinegar is my favorite type of vinegar for hair care. This vinegar is made from the sap of the flowers of coconut trees and contains many nutrients such as 17 amino acids, minerals, and B and C vitamins. Now, truth be told, because of coconut vinegar's nutrient-rich content, it is more powerful than apple cider vinegar, or ACV. I find that it is more gentle on low porosity hair and adds much more definition and shine. It is just as effective in clarifying the hair from dirt and buildup. Its almost neutral pH balance makes it superior to the acidic nature of ACV, as it doesn't close the hair cuticle, but it keeps it open to absorb much needed moisture during the deep conditioning step. I'm also going in with 1/2 cup of water. Water, of course, is the main source of hydration. It helps to maintain the elasticity of our hair strands. Water-based liquids such as aloe vera, herbal teas, and other water infusions can be used to replace water in this recipe. Now I give it a mix to see the consistency that I am working with. You can adjust the ratio of water to liquid depending on how thick or thin you want your clay wash to be. The consistency will only affect the application of the clay wash. It will not affect the efficacy in cleaning and transforming the hair. No surprise here, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. Derived from triglyceride-rich vegetable fats such as palm or coconut oil, vegetable glycerin adds intense moisture and hydration to the hair. It draws moisture from the humid atmosphere into our dry hair strands. It adds slip to any recipe and combats any potential dryness caused by the clays. And y'all know there's no SheRea DelSol recipe without an essential oil. I am using my absolute favorite essential oil, lemongrass. Lemongrass essential oil has antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. It makes it a perfect treatment to relieve the scalp from dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp conditions. Lemongrass strengthens hair follicles and adds shine. And then I give it one final mix to make sure all the ingredients are properly dispersed throughout the mixture. I then decant into an applicator bottle for easier application. I'm just using my funnel to make it nice, easy, and simple. This is what we are working with. Let me show you what the texture is looking like. The consistency is nice and runny, making it easy to apply to the hair and easy to rinse out as well. I can feel the moisture, I can feel the slip, and I know it's going to be an awesome, awesome treatment. Now it's time to apply. Let's go. I think it's self-explanatory what I am doing. I am starting off on co-washed hair. I did record an entire wash day, and you can check it out in the cards above. You can see that the clay is giving me awesome definition, is making my curls pop, and we love to see it. And section by section, y'all know I work in 4 sections. I apply the clay and I smother it throughout my hair, smoothing and raking it in. It does have slip. It doesn't have as much slip as a traditional conditioner, but you are able to detangle your hair with it. And let's go. Come on, curls. Come on, juicy, shiny curls. Right here, you can see me detangling it. You can see me smoothing it in, and I have no issues getting the clay throughout my hair. I let the clay sit while I shower for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I rinse it out with warm water. Y'all know I always use warm water because I'm low porosity. It allows my hair to absorb the moisture. Upon rinsing, you can see how clumped my curls are. It just did a really good job of keeping my hair nice and clumped. There is shine, there's definition, there is movement. It just did some wonderful things for my curls, and I really, really enjoyed this recipe. I can't wait to play with this recipe some more. I am really, really happy with it. If you do make your own clay wash, let me know what you use, what you don't use. I would love all the deets down below. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I hope this video was helpful per usual. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. Would love to have you join the family. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.